Hi there, welcome back to another section of this course, and in this video we will be talking about funneling down audience or followers from the top accounts. Now as you can see on the screen, by the term funneling down audience from top accounts, I want you to imagine a funnel, and from the top you are putting the followers of a top account, and at the bottom you can see that some of those followers are going to follow you. So it is a funnel because, well, all of those followers of the top accounts are not going to follow you. Okay, without further ado, let's see how to funnel down the audience from top accounts. Now, I hope you remember the Hustle Club page that we created in the beginning of this course. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to funnel down audience from top accounts to the Hustle Club page. So as you can see on the screen, this page is one of the top accounts and the username of this page is success.ingredients. And this page has around 100,000 followers. Now the method of funneling is very simple. When this top account posts their contents, what you have to do is that you have to engage with the contents of this page. And by engagement, what I specifically mean is that you should comment on their contents. So you can see that this post reads, "Save me today and I'll save you tomorrow." And you can see that I've commented, "In the time of adversity, the fool build walls, whereas the wise build bridges." Now we have just scratched the surface only. There are a few things that you have to note. And the first thing among them is the time of commenting. You have to comment within the first 0 to 1 hour in which the top account posts their contents. So in the example that I've shown you, I posted the comments within the first 7 minutes in which the content was posted by the top account. So I think that rationale behind this is pretty straightforward. There is no use in commenting after, say, 1 day or 2 days or after a week. You need to post the comment before the content receives engagements. So you have to post your comment within the first hour in which this post was posted. Now one question might be bugging you. How do I know the time in which the top account posts their contents? Well, you can't be 24/7 online waiting for them to post, right? Don't worry, we have a feature on Instagram to help us. So as you can see on the screen, post notification is the feature that can help you to know when a top account posts their contents. So you can see that this is a very famous page called Wall Street Bets. So imagine that I want to funnel down the audience from this top account, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to comment in their posts, but I don't know the time in which they post their contents. Well, the post notification is there to help me. So as you can see on the screen, there is a bell icon at the top. Just click on that and what is shown on the right side will appear. So you can choose between posts, stories, videos, reels, live videos, etc. So I would be ticking all of them. And when the top account posts contents related to posts, videos, reels, etc., I will be notified. So I'll be clicking into that content from the notification and I'll be commenting on that content as soon as possible. So I hope you understood the trick to comment as early as possible. You have to turn on post notification and you'll be notified. Now the next thing that I want you to note here is the type of comments that you're going to post on each post. So as you can see on the screen, these are the type of comments that you have to post on the top accounts. So as shown, the first type of comments that you have to post are the funny and the relatable comments. So you have to be really funny and you have to be really quick in order to comment these kinds of comments. So what I would suggest is that you have to read a lot of books and you have to read a lot of funny quotes and all those kinds of things. And you would be equipped enough to post relatable and funny kinds of comments in the top accounts. Now the second type of comments that you can post are the praising comments. So you have to praise the top accounts such as "Great post," "I love your page," etc., etc. So usually people do these kinds of praising comments if they don't have anything funny or relatable to post. So by writing praising comments, you are actually gaining the attention of that top account and they would be really flattered and you might be able to create a connection with them. And they might also check your account, they might also follow you, and all those possibilities are opened when you try to do the praising type of comments. The last type of comments that you can post are the disagreements and adding more info into the post. So if the post is about, say, artificial intelligence or something like that, and if that post is missing some kind of information, you can add it by commenting under that post, or you can say that this information is wrong, this is the right information, etc., etc. in the comment section. So disagreements and adding more info to the post is going to be really valuable. And what you have to keep in mind is that you have to be respectful when you're disagreeing with those top accounts, because you are trying to actually catch the attention of their audience, as well as you're also trying to catch the attention of that top account and build a connection with that top account. So these are the three types of comments that you can post under the top account. Now as you can see on the screen, this is the type of comment that you shouldn't post under the top account, and it reads, "Hey guys, I started a small page, hope you all like it. Please do check it out. Please follow my Instagram page," etc., etc. So those kinds of comments are actually spam, and the top accounts wouldn't like you spamming in their comment section, and they might even block you. And the audience of that top account are also going to get annoyed at you because they don't want to see spamming under the comments of their favorite top account, right? So please try to avoid posting these kinds of comments under top accounts. So far, I've shown you an example of commenting on one top account. Well, for the funneling method to be successful, you have to follow at least 50 to 60 top accounts and comment on at least 20 to 30 posts of these top accounts daily for successfully funneling down audience from those top accounts. Now we should also not over comment on Instagram. There is a limit of comments that you can post per day. So always maintain a healthy number between 20 to 30 posts per day. Now I hope things are getting clearer to you by now, because in the beginning of this course I showed you how to find the top 50 to 60 accounts by checking their engagement rates and all those kinds of things. So if you still haven't followed 50 to 60 top accounts by checking their engagement rates, I think now is the best time to do that and start commenting on their contents daily. Now let me show you a few examples on why you should comment on top accounts. Now as you can see on the screen, this is one of my comments that I commented on a top post, and as you can see on the screen, this comment got around 107 likes. So a lot of people are seeing what you're commenting in the comment section of a top account, so you have to make it funny, relatable or informative, and you can also disagree with the top accounts as I've shown previously. So by doing this, you are going to get the attention of a lot of their followers, and they're going to check your page, and if your page is well optimized and if they like your page, then they are definitely going to follow you. Now let me show you another example. So as you can see on the screen, I posted a comment and I got 4 likes for that. And you can see that someone else replied to my comment. So what happened was that someone else replied to my comment. And when I checked that person hasn't followed me. So what would I do? Well, that's simple. I would reply to them and I would start to engage with them. And you can see that I wish them by saying have a great day and all those kinds of things. And you can see that after all those greetings and after all those engagements, that person followed my page. So that is the trick. Be nice to people, engage with them in the comment section of top accounts, and they are definitely going to check your page, and if they like your page, they are going to follow you. Now another thing that I want you to focus here is that Instagram has a feature where the top account can pin your comment. So you have to write the type of quality comments in which the top accounts are going to pin your comment. So you have to grab the attention of the top account by commenting something really wonderful, really funny and all those kinds of things. And when you're getting pinned, a lot of their audience are going to see you and they're going to check your account and they're going to follow you if they like your page. So that should be your aim, and your aim should be to get pinned by the top account. And the best way to get pinned is by putting a quality comment and also by taking the attention of the top account by posting very early. So you can see that I posted the comment within the first 14 minutes and that top account saw my page, and you can see that they've pinned my comment. Now I have a question. What if the top account pins someone else's comment and not your comments? Well, the trick is simple. Post your comment as a reply to the comment that has been pinned by the top accounts. So you have not been pinned, but someone else's has been pinned. So what you're going to do is that you're going to put your comment as a reply to that comment that has been pinned. So indirectly you are being pinned and a lot of people are going to see, but not as much as the comment that has been pinned. But people do see the replies to the comment that has been pinned. So your aim should be to get pinned, and if they don't pin your account but pin someone else's account, don't worry, just put it as a reply to that account. Now let's end this video by summarizing this question. Why should you engage with the top accounts? Well, I have 3 reasons for you. And the first reason is that the audience of that top account are going to see your comment. And I've shown you examples where a lot of people are liking my comment and they are visiting my page and following my page. So this is one of the important channels through which your account is going to grow, and it is a must that you have to comment on the top accounts daily. Now the second reason why you have to engage with the top accounts is that engaging with the top accounts would help the Instagram algorithm suggestions. So if you remember from one of the previous videos, I told you that Instagram would suggest your account to a lot of people. So when you're engaging with the top accounts of your niche, Instagram understands that your account is similar to that top account. So you have to comment with the top accounts in order to make the Instagram algorithm work in your favor. Now the last reason why you should engage with the top accounts is that when you frequently engage with the contents of top accounts, they might notice your Instagram page and they might follow you. So the last point is a bit related to the coming sections where we'll be discussing about building connections and all those kinds of things. But for now, you have to keep in mind that when you engage with the top accounts are going to notice you. Now those were the important things that I wanted you to know in this video. I hope you understood how to funnel down audience from the top accounts, and this is one of the important strategies that a lot of top accounts did